Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be looking at task 13a. So it says create a new document, open the file text1.rtf, change the document heading to winter weather forces schools to close. Okay, so I'm going to of course save the task as task 13a, right? So let's go ahead to chapter 13, open the text1.rtf. So before I do anything, I want to save the task. So I'm going to locate my desktop chapter 13 folder. So I'm going to save this as task 13a. All right, and I think I might have to leave it as Word document. Okay, yes. So that is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change the what's it called, the heading. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. This is the heading that they want us to have in the document. So I'm going to replace it with what is already here. So I'm going to paste on top of this, right? Now I notice that the font has changed a little bit, right? So one thing I can do to change the font to look like, because if you click on the heading, you find out from here that the font is now Consolas, right, with 10.5 point size, right? So I can actually select any text on the body and then click on text format and then change, make sure it has the same formatting as the rest of the text, right? So another thing I can do actually is to actually right click and then make sure I only paste text. That's another way you can do that, to actually use the destination formatting. Okay, so I'll just press enter just to make it look like what it's supposed to be. Then I will save my changes, and that is it for this. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.